how to get advice on investments using BlueGPT. In order to do that, click on this AI assistance right here. And then from in there, just scroll down until you can see in here an investment advisor. We have in here as well an investment manager, so click on that. And then this will show you in here this. So for example, let's say something like, I have some money and I want to invest in bonds. So let's say something like that. In bond. So we can send that. I have some money and I want to invest in bonds. How? And then they will show you this bond types and determine your investment goals. Some are riskier, while some are low risk, but also low returns. So open in here or assess your risk tolerance. Choose the right investment vehicle, right direct investment, or bond funds or ETFs. Open a brokerage account. Research, monitor market conditions, and a lot. So that's how you get advice on investments using BlueGPT. Hope we help.